How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So glad each and every single one of you can make it. I know this isn't my normal type of video, but I want to try something different. Plus it's been so windy, you wouldn't have really been able to hear me talk anyway. So Lithium Auto sent me this double tap infused car wash, okay? And I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. So here goes. Now they advertise this stuff as being a rehydration type of product, and my cars really aren't dried out, so they don't need rehydration. So I can't speak on that. I can't speak on how it acts in a foam cannon, but what I can speak on, and you can hear the wind coming, is how it worked in a bucket. Now you're supposed to put 2 to 3 ounces per gallon of water, and I just randomly squirted some in because I've learned over time that they say 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, whatever, and it never takes that much. Like the other car wash that I used when I did my hood test, I only put 1 capful, and it called for way more than that, but I only put 1 capful, and that was like ½ an ounce. So, you know, I didn't follow the directions per se to the T, but that's what makes this so great, you know, scientifically. Not everybody has a measuring cup that measures ounces and stuff like that, so, you know, you just guesstimate, pour it in, and you go to it, and let's see how it works. So that's what I did. Now here's my findings, here's my results, here's how I like it. Immediately upon opening, and I did this in my unboxing, you get a very nice smell. And it's not strong, it's not overpowering, it's a real gentle smell. Honestly, it's kind of a relaxing smell. And what that smell is eucalyptus. And like I said, it's a very pleasing smell. I'm glad they went with that. So when I put it in the bucket, filled it up with water, as you saw, foamed up really well, lathered really well, and then I started putting it on the car. Now on the labeling on the back, right, it says that they might not have been totally happy with how the suds, the foam, stuck on the car. Well, again, I can't testify to a foam cannon. I don't have one. One day I will, but right now I don't. But as far as using it with the bucket and my microfiber mint, it stuck great. It lasted until I wanted to rinse the car. Normally I'll do like the hood and the very top of the car, the roof of the car, rinse it. Then I'll do like the rear hatchback, rinse it, and then I'll do the same on the other side. Well, with this soap, this shampoo, I found that I could actually do the whole half of the car from very top to very bottom, and the suds would still be there. They wouldn't evaporate, they wouldn't dissipate, they wouldn't disappear, they wouldn't slide off like so many other shampoos I have tried do. Now, did it add gloss? I don't know, because my car was already protected. You know, I keep my cars waxed and everything, so I can't testify that it actually added gloss, but what it did do was add shine. Not necessarily gloss, but it did add shine, and that's the reflectiveness qualities of a good shampoo or a good car wash, to actually deepen the color of the color of the car, if you will, and actually add pop, to shine. In other words, when you look at it, that sun hits it and it's like diamonds going off in your eyes, right? It did an excellent job at that, so I'm very, very pleased with that. Another thing I found interesting is, as I did it, I would do more and more of the car. As I did this wash, I would do more and more of the car, and I would watch where I started. And for some reason, this soap didn't do like the others. If you've ever hand washed your car, and I'm assuming if you watched this video, you know you have, you could do a part of your car and then go do another part, and as you come back, that soap and water has already started drying out. This soap didn't do that. It didn't dry out, it didn't dissipate, it didn't water spot, it didn't create soap residue. It was still as if I had just rubbed it on, which I find very, very good. I really like that quality about it, because like I said, you don't have to worry about trying to hurry up and get done back here so that you can come back and rinse this before it goes to water spotting and everything. So that is a very, very good quality of this soap. Now another good thing about this, like I said, is the smell, but not only that, but if you've ever, you know, when you get done washing your cars, you dry your car and everything, your hand feels kind of dried out, kind of yucky feeling, kind of like you've had it sitting in dishwashing liquid all day long. There's that wind again, yay! This soap doesn't feel like that. It actually feels like my hands have been moisturized. It feels like I put lotion on it, and that, you know, They're not dried out. You don't see the creasing on my fingertips like you would if you used, you know, cheap shampoos or dishwasher liquid, stuff like that. So, you know, that says a lot. It's not got those harmful chemicals that's going to soak into my skin and dry it out and wrinkle it up and all that stuff. So there's another great thing about it. Now, in final, I will say that I am very, very pleased with this car shampoo. Great smell. It doesn't dissipate. It doesn't start drying out like so many other car washes do. Now, granted, it's only like 64 degrees here today. It's not, you know, 80, 90 degrees, but still, I've washed cars 30 and 40 degrees and seen the same results. You know, you sit here, you do your hood, then you go do your roof, then you do the back, and you come back around to the hood where you started, and the soap's already starting to dry. It's starting to leave real hard soap spots and all that, soap residue. This one didn't do it. So I'm very pleased with that, and the smell, again, is just spot on. It moisturizes rather than drying out, and I really like that. Now, how will it work on a foam cannon? I don't know. Some of the other great YouTubers out there, like Fab Automotive or Papa Smurf, some of them guys will put it in their foam cannons, I'm sure, and give it a try and give it a review with that. Don't know how it's going to work for them, but for me, it worked wonderful. I can't say enough about this product. If you're looking for a good car shampoo, and I think it's $27.99 for, how many ounces did I say? 32 ounces, right? 32 ounces. $27.99, which is spot on. I mean, you know, you can get a half a gallon of McGuire's or something like that at Walmart for anywhere from 10 to 20 bucks. So it's right on par for a mail order shampoo or detailing product. So it's not expensive. It's not way out of the ballpark, and it's going to last me a while because, like I said, I didn't even use the recommended amount. I probably used half of what they recommend, and it never quit foaming. I never had to go back and restir the bucket with fresh water to get it to foam up like you do so many car washes or anything. When I took it and dumped it over into the other bucket to do my underpinnings, my underskirtings and stuff on the car, my tires, my wheels, I didn't even have to add water to a dam because it was the foam was still there. It never left. So that's another great product. Great characteristic is its foaming properties. I never lost my foam, and I have with other top name car shampoos. And I'm just gonna go ahead and call it with that. You know, I highly recommend this. Yes, they sent it to me. I appreciate that. But they know as well as you know, anybody that watches my channel knows that I'm gonna give you an honest review, unbiased. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. So this product is really good. I'm sorry about the wind, but that's what the big man wants. That's what the big man gets, right? So until next time, get out there and enjoy your car. It finally quit raining long enough for me to enjoy one of mine. Now I got 2 more to do. Not going to do them today. I'll get them done throughout the week. But anyhow, this one's done. It's over with. So enjoy your cars. Enjoy your day. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.